Yo, what is up, Willie Warriors? You already know, man. What? Yo, we literally are in Brooklyn right now. We are in Brooklyn, New York. Y'all see I got the Crash Boys jacket on. Hold up. But we out right now. We at this school. We about to do a bike giveaway at this school. I forget the name of the school, but I'm gonna let y'all know again once we get inside. But yeah, me and my guy Mop behind the cam, you know what I'm saying?
outside.
Yeah.
About to give away some bikes.
Yeah, about to give away some bikes to the kids, do a little class and all that. So we about to go into school right now. So yeah, in the corner.
We just added this light. Yeah, they've been here since last February. So this is a whole tank system, creating nitrogen for them to grow and produce nutrients for growth and plants above.
That's tough.
So this is the lab. We got a grid, and we got all the equipment to make this happen.
And on the top, using the top space.
Yeah, this is basil. So I had it here first without the light. The growth was a bit stagnant. So now that the light is on, it's lettuce, parsley. I got some sunflowers coming up. So this is the first stage.
What?
So this is an NFT. We have
This is the NFT.
Well, this is the NFT, nutrient film technique. And
What is that, Swiss chard?
Swiss chard, parsley. I got snow peas running here. I'm going to pull these out. They've outgrown that system.
It's supposed to be a
Damn, they got slow mic'd up in this.
Oh, you got you.
Okay. Oh, separate. That one we have for this camera. Oh.
It's only a couple things you can do outside. We all from like, them type of neighborhood, so I try to give opportunities to kids and let them know, man, it's much more to life than, the hood. At one point in time, you're gonna hit some adversity. You got to be able to, overcome it and then help the next person.
That's a fact. Actually, last question: what do y'all have planned for the kids today in the gym?
We're just gonna talk to them and show them some tricks and let them know it's a future on your bike, and stay on your bike and opportunities will happen.
How you doing? You say?
Yeah, Alex Scott.
Nice to meet you. Yeah.
We do an annual event every summer called the Grand Prix Game, where we do an event called King of the Ring, where they put you in a circle and the last one is me standing is a winner. So whoever wins we're going to give away a bike to a celebrator today.
How many they got? 20. Oh! Ah! GG's!
Nico, make that bang. Nico, make that bang.
Besides the blue bike, do not go for the blue bike, because who's going for the blue bike? Whoever grabs a bike stays in for the next round. Whoever doesn't grab a bike or get on a bike, they're eliminated. All right, here we go. All you boys, let's get set, go!
No tussling. No, she was on it. 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 All right, cool.
Ready? Are you on? Get set, go!
Oh!
Are you on? Get set. Get set. Get ready. Get set. Are you on? Get set. Go. All right. Here we go. Are y'all ready? Let me get a yeah if y'all ready.
Let me
Are
get
you
it.
marked? Get set, go!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
You guys are racing now, so you don't want to be in front of nobody. Y'all ready? You ready? You ready? Whoever wins, this is it. Are you on? Get set, go! All right, shake buddies.
Yeah! Come on! Ah! She got the light, man! Yeah! Ah! Yeah! Free bud! Easy work! Easy work!
The champion, make some noise! Make some noise for J.H.S!
Yeah!
Make some noise! New York, Brooklyn.
No!
Count to three. 1, 2, 3.
You got that. That's light.
Yeah, just ride straight off.
That's 3 feet.
That's light. All he gotta do is ride straight, like fly off. Just fly straight off. Don't get your mom fired, buddy.
Yo! Nah.